Hey guys, welcome back to our channel Login Aid. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to log into your Helium 10 account online. To do this, you'll have to first go to your preferred web browser. Here, I'm using Safari for now. Now, on the search box, search for www.helium10.com and then press enter. This will take you to their website. Now, to log in, you will have to click on the login button, which is at the right side of your screen, right beside the contact sales button. Here, you will have to enter your login credentials. In any case, if you're here and you still don't have an account yet, you may click on the sign up now link right below the login button. Now, if you do have an account, you may log into that account by filling in your email in the first text box. Then, you may fill in your password in the second. In any case, if you forget your password, you may click on the Forgot Password link right below the password text box. Once you make sure you filled in your correct credentials, then you may click on the Login button in blue. Once you do that, you will be successfully logged into your Helium 10 account. Now, if you want to check, you may go to your top right corner of your screen, which has your name in it. Once you click on your name, then a drop-down may appear showing your details like your email and your name, proving that you've successfully logged in to your Helium 10 account. This is how you may easily log into your Helium 10 account. If you find this video helpful, kindly like, share and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below. Thanks for watching.